Hello everybody, and this is Glenda Winkleman, and welcome back to Creative Grandma. I hope you're enjoying our videos, and if you are enjoying them, please subscribe to our channel. Today's episode, we are going to be doing a textured granny square with a little bit of the front post stitches to get you a little more skilled in your stitches and to just add some texture to your little granny square. So let's begin. I have my slip knot already on my hook. So we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to come back and insert your hook into that first chain, and you're going to pull a slip stitch through there to make your ring. And you'll see the little hole there that you're going to put your stitches in. So then we always chain 3 at the beginning of each round for the first double crochet when indicated for that round. So we're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2 4 times in the ring. So the first set of 3 double crochet would be your chain 3 and then 2 double crochet. So put your 2 double crochet in that ring. And then you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to put 3 double crochet in the ring. Now this pattern, you do need to know a few of the stitches, the single crochet and the double crochet and the triple. You're going to chain 2, and then you're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, twice more in the ring. To join your round, you're going to take your hook and insert it in the top of that beginning chain 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, and you're going to fasten all your rounds in this manner of going into the top of your starting chain 3. Okay, now I'm going to join my second color. The instructions are written for changing colors each round. So if you're not going to change colors, you just find what stitch you're at on the instructions and then start from there and go around. So I'm going to join my new color in the top of that beginning chain 3. And then I'm going to double crochet in each one of the double crochet. So you're going to double crochet in the next 2 double crochet. Now, this is where if you're a beginning crocheter, it may be a little complicated if you're trying to read the instructions. So the instructions call for a triple, chain 2 and a triple between the 3 double crochet and the next 3 double crochet group. So that would be your corner chain 2 space. Working stitches over the corner chain 2 space and into the beginning ring. So what that's telling you is you're going to do a triple, and you're going to go down over the corner chain 2 space between these 3 double crochet and the next 3 double crochet, right back down in that beginning ring. And then when it says to pull your triple up to current level of work, that means you're doing a long stitch. You're pulling that first part of that triple up higher. So you make your triple, and then that's all that means when it says pull it up to current level of work. And then you'll see that it's kind of even with that. So you just pull that up a little higher for a long stitch. You're going to chain 2, and you're going to do another triple in that same space down in that beginning ring. So if you copy the instructions and then you're having a hard time, just refer back to the video, and it's so much easier when you're actually seeing someone do that. So then what we're going to do is we're going to do a double crochet in each one of these 3 double crochet. So sometimes when you do this triple, it pulls that stitch down. So if you have to, just kind of pull it back up a little bit. Do your double crochet one in each one of those three. And this is only a 5 round granny square, so you can make them up pretty quickly once you know what you're doing. Now we're going to do that again. We're going to do the triple, the chain 2, and the triple. We're going to go down over that chain 2 space and right down through into that beginning ring that we made. So do your triple, go into that ring, working right over that chain 2 space. Chain 2. And then you're going to do another triple in that same ring. And then you're going to repeat this around the other 2 sides. You're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the 3, double crochet, and then you're going to do your triple, chain 2, triple down through there into the ring. So go ahead and repeat that around. I'm at the end of round 2, so you're going to join in the top of your beginning chain 3, and then you're going to fasten off and weave in your ends. We're going to start round 3. So on round 3, 4, and 5, it doesn't matter which corner chain 2 space you go in. You can turn it and put it in any one. There's no right or wrong one. So just any chain 2 space, join your next color. And we're going to do your chain 3 for the first double crochet. And you're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that corner chain 2 space. And this is an excellent pattern if you have a lot of scrap yarn that you want to use up for these granny squares. It just really makes it pretty when you have all different colors and kinds of yarn in there. Okay, so we have our 3 double crochet, 2 chain 2, 3 double crochet in the corner chain 2 space. So now you're going to skip this triple stitch here, and you're going to work 1 double crochet in each one of those 3 double crochet. So skip this triple and then work 1 double crochet in each of the 3 double crochet across. And I'm sorry if my fingers get in the way, it's just the way I'm trying to crochet with my hands on the table. Okay, so now to finish this round, you're going to do the same thing you did here 3 more times around. So you're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in your corner chain 2 space. So you're going to skip this triple. You're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. You're going to skip this triple and then work your 3 double crochet across those stitches. So you do that 3 more times around. I'm at the end of round 3 and I've already joined and weaved in my ends. So now we're going to begin round 4. We're going to join our new color in any one of the corner chain 2 spaces. So you're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in your beginning corner chain 2 space. So you start with your chain 3 as your beginning double crochet, and then you're going to do another double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So you should have 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in your corner chain 2 space. You're going to skip the next 2 double crochet and work 2 double crochet in this next double crochet. And this is where a lot of people have a little bit of trouble. You're going to skip the next double crochet, and the instructions call for a triple, chain 1, triple, In the next corresponding double crochet 2 rounds below in round 2, pulling your triple up to current level of work. So what that means is you're going to skip this double crochet and you're going to go to the next double crochet 2 rows down. So skip this one, here's this one, you're going to work your triple in the corresponding stitch 2 rows below. So 1, 2, that's the corresponding stitch right there, and you're going to work that triple in that stitch, and you're just going to pull up on that so your stitch comes up to your current level of work. You're going to chain 1, and then you're going to work another triple down in that same corresponding stitch, bringing that triple up to the current level of work. That's all that means, that you're pulling it up so it's even. So there is that, and then you're going to skip the next 2 double crochet behind. You're going to skip, you already skipped the first of the 3. Now you're going to skip the other 2 in this group of 3 double crochet. So you're going to skip that, those 3 stitches behind there, and then you're going to work 2 double crochet in the next double crochet, which the instructions say work 2 double crochet in the first double crochet of the next 3 double crochet group. So to make it easier, if you're not sure when you're doing this piece here, all you have to remember is when you're skipping these stitches, you already did this, so just go into that first stitch, the first double crochet of that 3 double crochet group. That's what that means. So now you're going to start and you're going to repeat this section here around the other 3 sides. So you're going to work your, well, I'll just do it again to make sure you have the hang of it. You're going to do your 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in your corner chain 2 space. You're going to skip the next 2 double crochet and you're going to do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to skip the next double crochet and you're going to work a triple, chain 1 triple in the next corresponding stitch 2 rows below. So that's your next corresponding stitch, and that's the one 2 rows below. So you go ahead and work your triple in that stitch. You chain 1, you work your other triple in that same stitch. You're going to skip the 3 double crochet behind there and you're going to work your 2 double crochet in that first double crochet of the next group of 3 double crochet, and that's your repeat. So you'll repeat this again around the other 2 sides. We're at the end of round 4 and I've already joined in the top of my chain 3 and weaved in my ends. Now we'll be doing the last round, which is round 5. So we join our color in any corner chain 2 space, and we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in that corner chain 2 space. So again, you're going to chain 3 for the first double crochet, and then you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2, 2 double. Now the colors I'm using have no rhyme or reason. They're just, I'm trying to use bright colors so you can see them better in the video. Now you're going to double crochet in each one of the next 4 double crochet. So double crochet in the next 4 double crochet. So there's your 4 double crochet, and then you're going to do a front post double crochet in the next triple. So a front post double crochet, you're just going to wrap your hook around, you're going to go underneath that triple, you're going to just do a regular double crochet, you're just working it around that post of that stitch. And then you're going to do a double crochet in the chain one space between the double crochet. And then you're going to do another front post double crochet around the next triple. So just take that double crochet underneath that stitch. You're going to pull your yarn over and you're just going to work that double crochet. And then you're going to make one double crochet in each one of the next 4 double crochet. And that is the pattern that you will use to go around the other side. So I'll do one more side. We're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in that corner chain 2 space. You're going to double crochet in each one of those 4 double crochet. And then you're going to do a front post double crochet around the next triple crochet. You're going to do a double crochet in the chain 1 space between the triple. You're going to work a front post double crochet around that next triple. And then you're going to work a double crochet in the next 4 double crochet to the corner. And then all you're going to do is repeat the same pattern around the other 2 sides. So you just repeat your corner across to the next corner and then repeat around. And this is your finished textured granny square. This was made using a worsted weight yarn with the size 10J hook. I did want to show you the difference that this one I made using with a size I hook, and I do kind of like the I hook better because the holes aren't quite as big and pronounced. Here's one where I made it in just 2 colors, and then here is one just made with another color combination. And like I said, this is an excellent pattern for all those scraps you had. As always, I always include the instructions at the end of the video, so please feel free to use the pause button so you can copy them down. And if you like this video of the textured granny square, please remember to subscribe to my channel.